Now this is the second part of the assembled the main wire harness with the electrical components. From the first part, you see we already assembled the wire harness with the engine flywheel. So now we just put the plug to the high tension coil. Okay, just like this, and okay, you see, brake to brake, and the other color to the green. So, and then just same like the last our previous videos to show you how to assemble the main wire harness. So this is almost the same. So you see now we put the socket to the CDI, the plug to the CDI. So very easy like this. Just put all the sockets, female with male, plug with the sockets. So now this is for the horn. So we put to the horn. Okay, just plug in. And this one is for the voltage regulator. So also just put the plug to the socket. Okay, just like this. And now for the key switch, so it's the same. This is the WC1 key switch. So the female plug is different than the NE5 and ambassador. So not really complex, but just like this. So now this is for headlight. Yeah, and this now assemble the right hand control and put also the same thing. Yeah, plug with the sockets, and then and now we assemble the left hand control. Yeah. This is the WC1 system, but for the NE5 it's much easy and convenient to assemble, like our previous videos of main wire harness assembly. So now this is the complete main wire harness and electrical components already assembled to the bike. So we just need to put some strip to fit the main wire harness compact to the frame only. So you see, we use the brake strip to fix the wire harness to the frame. Yeah. collect them together, and then okay, so this is ready. The wire harness of this bike already assembled on the bike. Okay, look at this.